Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to change Apple Music payment method. To change it, first of all, open your Apple Music application on your device. From there, on the top right, you will see a profile icon. Hit on that and then go through the account settings. Once you are on this page, from here you have to select Manage Payments. Now from here, if you haven't added your card details, then add it. If you have already added and you want to change, then on the top right you will see edit option. Hit on that and you can easily change Apple Music payment method. So in this way you can change it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.